Have you ever found yourself struggling to display your data in a specific order using Vue? It can be quite a challenge, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to iterate through an array of objects in a specific order. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when your data appears in a random order, especially when you need it to follow a specific sequence. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many developers face this issue when working with Vue. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I iterate through an array of objects in a specific order?" They provided an example where the values were listed randomly, and they wanted to display them according to a specific list of keys. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So what's the issue here? When you use the v for directive in Vue, it iterates over the array as it is, without considering any specific order. This can lead to confusion when you need your data displayed in a certain sequence. But don't worry, we can fix this. And stick around. I have a neat trick at the end that will help you manage your data even better in Vue. To iterate over the array of objects in a specific order, the user should first define the desired order of the keys. In this case, the order is first, second, and third. Next, the user can create a computed property in their Vue instance. This computed property will sort the values based on the defined order of keys. Now the user should update the template to use this computed property instead of directly iterating over the original array. This will ensure the values are displayed in the specified order. Finally, the user can test the implementation to ensure that the values are displayed in the correct order. They should see the output as 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, and 30. Fun fact, did you know that Vue was created by a former Google engineer? It's amazing how far it has come and how many developers rely on it today. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to create an array of your sorted keys. Then you can use v_for to iterate over this array instead of the original object keys. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to utilize computed properties. This method involves sorting the all array before iterating through its elements. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative approach to iterating in a specific order is discussed by a user in a Vue.js training course. They suggest that while using object.keys might seem correct, it can lead to inconsistent results across different JavaScript engines. The user recommends 3 options: sorting the array when populated, creating a computed property, or implementing a sort method. They favor using a computed property because it caches results, ensuring the sort code runs only once. Using a computed property is efficient because it avoids repeated sorting during each iteration, unlike the other options. The user notes that sorting upon population might not be suitable for every scenario. Here's the neat trick I promised. Always keep your keys in a separate array. This practice not only helps with ordering, but also makes your code cleaner and easier to maintain. And there you have it. You should now be able to iterate through your array of objects in the order you want. Remember, keeping your keys organized is key to smooth data management. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced Vue techniques.